Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to use AI to suggest some great field labels for your existing form fields. This feature is super handy and can save you a lot of time. Before we get started, make sure you have the Gravity Booster and AI for Gravity Forms add-ons installed and activated. You will need to use your OpenAI API key. To get your OpenAI API key, follow these steps. Go to the OpenAI website. Navigate to the API section and click on Create New Secret Key. Copy the generated key. Go to your website's backend, navigate to Forms, Booster, click on the Settings icon and then go to the AI section. Paste your OpenAI API key here. Click the Save button. Now that you are all set up, let's dive into using the AI feature. First, from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Forms, Booster. Select the form for which you want to generate label suggestions. After selecting the form, the page will reload. Next, click on the AI panel and go to Improve Labels section. Here you will find the following options. Optimize with AI. You have 3 built-in prompt buttons: Rephrase, Friendly and Formal. Clicking any of these buttons will automatically set the prompt for generating labels. Text prompt. You can edit the prompt you added using the prompt buttons or write your own. These are the instructions for the AI to modify the labels. Generate labels. Click this button to take your existing prompt and start generating label ideas for all the form fields. Generated text with AI. Here, you will see all your existing form fields, and for each field you will have 3 label choices. Click on any of the choices to see it get implemented on the form. You can also regenerate the labels for a particular field by clicking the Generate Labels for this field button. If you don't want to generate new labels for the whole form, you can click on any field inside the preview and then generate labels just for that field. Once you are happy with the changes, click on the Save button to make the changes live. And that's it. You have now learned how to use AI to generate and optimize field labels for your Gravity forms. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks.